This is the Papison Highly Precise Craft Scissor Set, a two-piece set designed for detailed and accurate cutting. These scissors are made from stainless steel, which gives them a sharp, clean edge for precise cuts on a variety of materials like thread, yarn, paper, and fabric. You get two straight scissors in the set, making it easy to keep one at your desk and another in your crafting kit. They're especially useful for activities like scrapbooking, sewing, embroidery, cross-stitch, and knitting. Basically any project where you need control and fine detail work. The pointed tips help you trim small areas cleanly without snagging surrounding material. Another nice touch is the included safety case, which helps protect the blades and makes them easier to store or carry without worrying about damage. If you're looking for a reliable pair of small, precise scissors for crafting or sewing projects, this set is a practical and versatile option.